Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at part 2 of this project, which is the classic analog clock. In case you have not watched part 1, the link is in the description below. First watch and come back and continue with this part. So the finished project look like this. We have 3 handles here, one for hour, another one for minutes, and this one, the red one for seconds. So we want to animate it using JavaScript. So for now, that is it. Let's get into here and we grab some of these elements that we want to animate here using their classes. I'm going to use query selector to make it easy. So now here, the first place, I just need to create some link here. I'm using script, this one here, not modules but source, and I'm going to create some file called main.js. So I'll use defer attribute so that this file will run only if we have rendered this page first. So let's go back here and create this file in this file tree and just call it main.js. And then let me try to see that it is working by giving an alert. That's empty alert. Save it. Let me refresh the page. Yeah, alert is here. So great. These files are all linked. Now next, let's start grabbing these elements from our index.html. So in the first place, we have this div for the hour, and in our main.js, we are using const keyword. I think I can paste this one, and this is equals to document query selector, and the class here is hour. Now I'm going to duplicate this and change this one here to, maybe let me call this one here to be hour element, and then this one here will be minute element, and then this one here will be seconds. And then here we can change this one here from our index. The name here is minute. So to avoid typo, we just need to copy and paste it here. And that's it. Also do the same to the second. We copy paste. Sorry. So let's see whether these things are grabbed by logging into the console. So we can start this one here, our element, comma, minute element, and then second element here. So we're going to save and open the DevTools. By having this inspect toggle, we can go to the console. Yeah, they're here displayed. 3 of them. We have grabbed the hour, div, minute, and the second. So this is great. We can go ahead and do something. So we don't need this for now. Let me comment it out and we proceed. So the first thing here is we need to create a function. Now I'm using function keyword, just a regular function, and we give a name like update, maybe clock. Now after this, we need to use a variable here to store the date that we're going to graph from here. So we can say current date equals to new date in capital letter, and call it here. So we can also check this one here to see whether it has been graphed by calling this function. Say date clock, call this, and then we log it to the console also to see. File date. After saving, we go back to the console. We first need to refresh this page. So we can see here, it has just graphed our date right now. This is the time. By the time this video has been recorded, so things is working. So we can go ahead and remove this line off. And now after this, let's use set timeout method here, this one down here, and then I'm going to run this update clock, comma, and I want it to take 1 second every time, and this one can only work if we do something. And here I'm going to declare some variables. For the first one, hour should be equivalent to current date, the one I've just grabbed it there, get hour, that is it. But then we have to call it by giving these parentheses, and I'm going to have 3 of them, so let me duplicate 2 more, such that the other one is going to be get minute, get minutes, and this one here we get seconds. Now here we also change this one here to minute, and this one here should be seconds. Now having declared this, we can also log to the console to see hour, minute, second. Save it, and refreshing the console, and then check it out. So you can see this set timeout is already calling this function in every after 1 second. This 1000 is milliseconds, so it is equivalent to 1 second. So it is reading continuously, and that is great. So we can move this out, and what next after having done that? Everything is working good. So the next thing we have to do here is we need to divide this. The center degree here is 360, and each of these divisions here we need to divide them in 3. As we have just got these variables here, for 1 hour there are 12 of them, like this one, from this bolded part up to this one, this is 1. When you turn around, there are 12. So I want to divide this one here into 12. Let's go ahead and start having this one here. So I'm also going to have some variables declared here. I'm using const again. So let me call this as hour degree equals to the hour, this one here, and then place inside this bracket, and we divide this one here by 12. Now this one should be multiplied by 360, and let me place them all inside parentheses. The inside bracket here is talking about the hour. What we have got from here, get hour, is going to be divided by 12, such that it will be equally distributed around this 360 degrees. So we multiply by that to get a degree per 1 hour, hour element. When we copy it from here, we have to paste it around. Then I'll just say style dot transform. Sorry, this one should be style transform. Now here I'm going to use template literal that is the backtick, the use of backtick. So here, what do I need to display there? I just use rotate because I'm using this property of CSS called transform. So I'm going to rotate. Now what am I rotating? I'm rotating the hour clock here. So I will say hour, dollar signs to make it dynamic. So dollar, open and close curly brackets. Then I give what I've just declared here is our degree inside here, and this one will be in degrees. Need to save it. So I'm going to do the same to all the other three. Let me just duplicate this one here. Now let's save it and check the console. After refreshing, you can see something is weird. I think this first one here, which I expected it to be for hour, is working like second. So we need to first find out what is going on wrong here. So here we have to take this minute also and replace to this element for minute, and take seconds to replace it to the second here, and it should be working. We're going to save it and refresh. There we go. So now this is the time. So everything is working perfectly. Thank you for watching. Please support this channel by liking this video, share with friends, and subscribe to my channel to get more interesting videos like this one here. Goodbye.